2025 Ford Transit immobilisation. So as soon as you push the start button to stop the engine, when we open the door, so you get a couple of flashes there to acknowledge that the immobiliser is now armed. So if we try and start the vehicle now, so foot on the clutch, manual gearbox, this one, foot on the clutch, push the button, you see it's just not going to start. I'm pushing the button. Okay, not starting. So we need to put our code in. So code can be up to 20 button pushes of existing buttons within the vehicle. We've used 4 button pushes just for simplicity. So you'll see if you watch the instrument cluster there, if I put our 4 button pushes in, okay, that one, that one, that one, and that one, you'll see a flash there on the indicator warning lights. If I now turn the ignition off, foot on the clutch, and then try to start the vehicle, see it starts and runs, no problem at all. So you need to put your PIN code in every time you get out. You can open and shut the door once the engine's running. The system won't rearm unless the engine's turned off and the door is opened. And arming is acknowledged by a couple of flashes of the indicator warning lights there.